Hello everyone, this is Shayan with you and welcome to my channel. Our today's topic is niche marketing and the lecture is going to be in English language. If you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu language, just click on this link. This link will lead you to my Urdu language video for the same topic, niche marketing. So, without further delay, here we go! Welcome back. Niche marketing is also called differentiated marketing. What does it mean by? Differentiated marketing means different marketing. For whom? For different segments of market. That means the marketing strategy which is different for different segments of market. Let's look at the definitions of niche marketing. Niche marketing means something small, something specific. Try to understand. Read the definition. Niche marketing targets a specific and well-defined market segment. The first one targets a specific and well-defined market segment. There is a word market segment. What does it mean by? If you haven't watched my market segmentation video, here is the link. Just click on this link and watch my video. Market segmentation, consumer market, target market. I explain in that video what is called market segmentation. It is highly recommended to do so. Then after come back and watch this video again so that you will be able to understand this topic in depth. Niche marketing is basically a marketing strategy which is designed for a specific segment of market because the product is offered to that specific segment of market. Now you understood. The product is not offered to all the segments of market such as mass market product. No, the product is especially made and designed to satisfy a specific target market, a specific market segment, and the marketing strategy is adopted accordingly to satisfy and persuade that specific segment of market. Now read the definition, you will understand. The business of promoting and selling a product or service to a specialized specific segment of market. The product is aimed at satisfying specific market needs, wants to target group as well as the price, quality, everything. 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, promotion. Meets the requirement, meets the expectation of that specific segment of market. That is called niche marketing. Rose rice is offered to everyone? No, to rich people. Those who can afford, those who have class, those who have royal and VIP expectations from the car. Bugatti, is it offered to everyone? Is it offered to normal people? No, this is offered to mostly racers and those who are interested in fast cars or fastest cars. Try to understand. The marketing strategy will be different for Rolls Royce and Bugatti. You will see the ads where they will show you the class, the richness, the royal style of the person. That means the product is offered to a specific segment of market for whom the Rolls Royce is made, and it is targeted towards that specific segment. If they show you an ad, fastest car, that means the Bugatti car is offered to a specific segment of market who is interested in fast cars. Let's move on. These are 3 different toothpastes: kids toothpaste, Sensodyne, teeth problems, and the last one is Colgate. Let's start from the last one, Colgate regular toothpaste. Is it designed for any specific issue or any specific demographic, specific segment of market, or it's a regular toothpaste? It is offered to all the segments of market. So that means the last one, Colgate is not designed specifically for any segment of market that is offered to everyone. Male, female, young, old, children, those who have problems, those who don't have problems in their teeth, in their gums. This is the mass market product. It's not the niche marketing product. But if you look at these two toothpastes, they are targeted toward specific segments of market. Kids toothpaste is offered to kids from 2 to 6 years old. Marketing strategy will also be designed accordingly. Sensodyne. Problems, teeth problems. Sensodyne is made for those who have gum problems, who have teeth problems. Doctors recommended Sensodyne. Marketing strategy will be for those who have teeth problems, and you will see same type of ads as well. This is called niche market because these two products are made specifically for different segments of market. The first one, the Colgate over there, is not made for a specific target market. That is offered to all the segments of market. That one is the mass market product, and these two are the niche market product. Let's move on and discuss how can niche marketing be done. Niche marketing. How niche marketing can be done. These are all the ways. These are not the only ways. Okay, there are several other ways that we can do niche marketing. We can develop the products, we can target specific groups, we can go for the niches, but these are the main niche marketing. Geographically, we can divide the market geographically and then develop the product and then develop the marketing strategy. Niche marketing. Okay, lifestyles. We can go in further more depth of different lifestyles of people. We can develop the marketing strategy according to those specific lifestyles for whom we are making our product. Lifestyles. Okay, occasion wise as well, profession, style, culture, activities and habits, user behavior, demographic need, feature reduction or additions, and so on. I don't want to go in further more depth. Basically, these are the basic ways by which we divide the market and then we develop the product according to those specific segments of the market, and then we develop our marketing strategy to target that specific segment of market. That is called niche marketing. Let's discuss the advantages. There is a better marketing focus because specific market segment is targeted. Yes, you are targeting to a specific market segment. You are developing the products according to that specific market segment. So you focus on that specific market segment in depth. You try to understand what do they need, what do they want. Then you develop the product and then you develop your marketing strategy. Result is you satisfy them. Okay, less competition in the market. Yes, because you are going in niche, you are going in depth, you are targeting a specific segment of market. Not everybody is targeting to that specific segment of market. Maybe there are only few firms, only few businesses being operated in that specific industry and that specific niche. So there is a chance that there will be less competition in that specific segment of market for whom you are making your products through. And there is also a chance to charge high prices. Why? Because your product is targeted to a specific segment of market and you are developing specialized products. So your product will be a high quality, which is meeting the expectation of that segment of market. So you can charge high prices. If there is less competition, if there is a high competition, if the product is elastic, then there is no way to charge high prices. Okay, enhance customer relationship. Amazing. The first and not the first and foremost, but it is basically a main advantage of niche marketing. Because when you understand your customer, you develop the products to satisfy them. When they are satisfied, you understand their expectations. You develop a very good and strong and loyal relationship with your customers. Your customers become loyal, and loyal customer is the backbone to every business. Are you getting my point? So in niche marketing, basically you get a chance to develop a very good relationship, strong relationship, long-lasting relationships with your customer. Let's discuss the disadvantages of niche marketing. Niche marketing are smaller where number of potential customers are limited as compared to the mass marketing. Yes, obviously, because mass marketing is a huge market you are targeting. You are offering your product to all the segments of market, but niche marketing is not as big as mass marketing. So there are small number of potential customers available in that specific segment of market. And another thing, there is a less chance that you will be able to enjoy economies of scale. Why? Because obviously you will not be able to produce on high scales as mass market. So basically businesses will not be able to enjoy economies of scale advantage as they enjoy in mass market. The third one is very important. If you are successful in niche market, you basically invite giants who are already operating in mass market, who are already successful in mass market. You invite them indirectly. They get interested to enter into this market because they have seen you successful. Now they have got to know that there is a demand of that specific product in that specific niche market. So why don't we enter? If they enter into that specific niche market, then the competition will become violent because it will not be easier for you to meet their cost of production. That is a disadvantage of niche marketing. And the last one is risk of over dependence on a single product or all eggs in one basket. These are two very interesting. Basically, if you are not offering the product or the products to different niche markets or a mass market and so on, there is a chance that you will start depending on one product. Over dependence is always not good for businesses. And second thing is, all eggs in one basket means if you do not perform well in that specific niche or your product is not accepted by the customer, then you are gone. Your business is over. So basically these are the disadvantages of niche market that we discussed. I hope you have understood today's topic, niche marketing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to please do so. If you have already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Please refer my channel to others so that they can also benefit from my lectures. Thank you so much for watching.